First, you're going to want to find your Fitmap app on your device. Then you're going to want to scroll to the Explore page at the bottom of the page and find the challenge that you like to participate in. Click on that. And then on this page, you'll see all the hikes that are part of that challenge. Click on the hike that you'd like to start. On this page, you'll find details regarding the hike as well as you hit the description, turn-by-turn directions for the hike. When you're ready to start, go back and hit track. You can on this page connect your own Apple device such as an Apple Watch or hit start tracking. Click on the activity, then hit track with app. Hit start and your activity will start to track at the top. Hit the map and you will be given a map overview of your hike. You can also hit the directions again to turn-by-turn directions of your route as you go. And you can even scroll the map and zoom in to see where you're at. Once you're done, hit stop, and then hit save, and your activity has been saved in the app.